Hello, and welcome to the Wild Animal Behaviour channel. The European honey buzzard. Despite its English name, this species is more closely related to kites than to buzzards. It is a specialist feeder, living mainly on the larvae and nests of wasps and hornets. Although it will take small mammals, reptiles, and birds. It spends large amounts of time on the forest floor, excavating wasp nests. It is equipped with long toes and claws adapted for digging. Scale-like feathers on its head, thought to be a defense against the stings of wasps. The honey buzzard is a long-distance migrant, wintering in rainforests of Central Africa, and breeding in Europe. This is very special behavior for a bird of prey. The European honey buzzard has a fairly long lifespan, as it can survive almost 9 years on average. The longest recorded lifespan of the European honey buzzard was around 29 years. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.